Hey everyone, welcome back to Resin Me Up. So today we are going to work on this into resin tray mold with the crystal edge. Now I've already poured the outside edge with clear because I wanted that to be cured before we do this next step. Now I'm waiting for my resin to heat up. So before we jump into that, I want to show you, I got some Happy Mail. I got these. The other two colors I had in my wish list, the Inca Gold. This is the violet, and this is the turquoise. Now, there wasn't any name, so I don't know who got them. So, whoever got them, let me know so I can properly thank you. So I'm excited because I love these. They are so cool. So yeah, I'm excited about that. So thank you very much, whoever got these for me. Let me know so I can thank you properly. Then I got this. This was in my wish list. And so was this. And this is the Mateo Chameleon mica powder. Oh, Midnight Dream. And I think it's a interference or an aurora type color. And then I got this. I have big plans for this. So yeah, and this came from Barbara. Let me get the little note that was in it. Hold on. Okay, so the note says, "Can't wait to see you use these. I love your videos," from Barb Buckley Nesbitt. So, yeah, and on here it says Midnight Dream. So, and then the mold is the hexagon silicone mold, 9-inch. So yeah, so I am very excited about that. So thank you very much, Barb. I appreciate that. So I can't wait to show you what I'm going to do with that. Yeah, so thank you very much, Barb. Thank you. Gloves. They're way too big. But I'm out of regular gloves. Okay, let's check the temperature of this. I want it at 35 and it's 34.5. So it's close. So let me tell you what we're going to do today. We're going to do a bloom in this, and I've never done a pastel bloom. So today we're going to do a pastel bloom, and we're going to use the Dusty Pink and the Aqua Frost. And then, of course, we're going to use white, and I always use the Resin Angel White. So I think we'll be good to go ahead and mix up the white. And basically, I just stir my white, and then I wipe off both sides of my stick. And I'm on the other side of my table right now because I've got several projects going on at the same time. Put it in my piping bag. I like to pipe my blooms just because I get a better bloom, I think, when I pipe. Definitely ready for that too. So let's go ahead and pour this in here. Okay, we're not going to fill it all the way up because we want room, obviously. Okay, so Dusty Pink. Put that on the outside. And like I said, I've never done a pastel before, so this is all very experimental today. Kind of shifted that way, didn't it? Let's put some more pink over here on this side. Just to see if we can't keep that consistent. Okay. Okay, there it is. So we will be back when it's time to put a back on this, and we'll decide. All right, bye. Hey y'all, we are back and we are ready for the backing. I thought I would come back and show you guys what I did on this. Basically, I want it to be translucent. Or transparent. I don't want it to be opaque. So what I did is I mixed up some sky blue and peacock blue in the resin dye from Let's Resin, and I got this color, which is pretty close to that color right in there. So that's what we're going to put on here. Now it's not very dark, which is exactly what I wanted. Again, first time, I've never done a backing on the back of a bloom that is translucent or transparent, or however you want to say that. I don't know. All right, I'll get this taken care of, and we will be back when this is completely cured. Make sure we don't have any bubbles. If I bring all these over here to one place, maybe they won't. It's just weird. But maybe if I try to mix them, that's not helping. That's just causing bubbles. Okay, I'll figure it out. I'll see you guys on demold. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is ready to come out of here, and I'm dying to see what it looks like. Looks like ice. It's my favorite part. Is taking that out, and it looks like ice. All right. Reach in here. This mold is gorgeous. I love this mold. Okay. So this is what it looks like from the side. Are you ready to see the bloom? Ready, 1, 2, 3. Aww. What the heck? We got some blobbies in there. Oh, I think I know what it is. I'm not even going to say I don't know because I do know. It's the it's this. The alcohol ink. Because it's kind of got that sinker white or sinker of some sort in it. And so when I put it in there, it just drops. But that being said, it looks kind of cool. It really does. It looks kind of cool. It doesn't look bad at all. But look, is that not really cool? Ah, just look at that. It looks like ice. To me, it looks like ice. That is so pretty. So we may have to do this again and do it with something on the bottom of it already, with some other kind of a pastel color. But it is beautiful. It's gorgeous. Look at that. I just love that. Beautiful. Other than that, my bloom turned out great, but look at the, I don't know if you can see this or not. Let me see if I can get you guys up close enough. Look at the Petrie. Have you ever seen a Petrie bloom before? But that alcohol ink took on a Petrie look in there. On right over here and right over here. And I think that's what, this was trying to do too. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but it's not how I wanted it to turn out. I wanted it to be a pastel bloom. So we're going to have to do this again, and I'm going to have to find some pastel colors. I may have to use mica powder or something. But it is pretty. Well, there you have it, guys. So don't use these in blooms if you don't want them to drop like that. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to figure something out to try to figure out a different pastel way of doing it. So, yeah, but it is pretty. Just beautiful. This is gorgeous. Love it. We'll be using this mold a lot, I think. It's very pretty. And then, of course, this is the teal on the bottom, and so this is clear, and that color radiates up through that and makes it all look teal. Gorgeous. Love it. Okay, I'm done yammering about it. Oh, goodness. So, all right, y'all. Well, that's it for this mold. We might end up doing it again very shortly because I really wanted a pastel bloom in here. So, I don't know. This is about the size of a coaster, so maybe we'll redo it on Coasting Through the Week. So we'll see. All right, y'all. Well, have a great night. And Tomorrow is coasting through the week, so we may end up doing it for coasting through the week. So, okay, remember, stay curious, stay creative, always stay positive and be kind, and we'll see you for coasting through the week. All right, y'all, I'll get pictures, put it at the end of the video. Bye.